In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Online Radio. Online Radio is an unwanted browser extension which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Online Radio extension actually is able to operate as adware. Once installed, it may display its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit, and these ads are sometimes even dangerous and may point you to many shady and really deceptive resources in the internet. Therefore, if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, make sure you get rid of it. Access the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension from the list. Also, we recommend you to carefully research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could still remain on the device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.